Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all safe at home and take care of yourself. So, as we have learned yesterday about the sentences, that what are sentences and how can we arrange into a meaningful sentence. So, today we are going to learn about the types of sentences. Okay, so there are basically four types of sentences, and I will be explaining you in brief in the video. So I hope you listen it and understand it. Thank you. So as I told earlier that we are starting with a new chapter today, that is types of sentences. So there are four types of sentences. One, assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. So we are starting with the first type of sentence, that is assertive sentence. Okay, an assertive sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. It simply states something. It tells you something. It ends with a full stop. So a normal statement, it ends with a full stop, or we can say it ends with a period. Period means a full stop. Assertive sentence are also known as declarative sentence. Now for example, if I take an example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east is a normal statement that we know that sun rises in the east, right? Then we have next sentence, we cannot ask him to leave. So we are declaring something. In this sentence, we are declaring something that we cannot ask him to leave. Right? Next is she is a brave girl. So it is a normal statement that she is a brave girl. That it is telling us about that girl. So whichever things which state us something or which declare us, that is a declarative or assertive sentence, right? Next comes a interrogative sentence. Now let us talk about an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question, right? It ends with a question mark. Okay, any question, whatever question we ask, it comes in the category of interrogative sentence. Where are you going? Are you coming home? Why did you do this? So these are any statement which ends with a question mark is an interrogative sentence. Okay, but the sentence makes a complete sense, that I told you earlier in the yesterday class, that a statement should always make a complete sentence. That is, then only it is considered to be a sentence. Okay, so an interrogative sentence, it ends with the question mark. Now I come to the third type, that is an imperative sentence. Now it is a very vast, but I'll explain you in a short. Like, what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence, it gives you orders or commands, or you can make a polite request, or you give a advice. That all these sentences, in all these sentences which consist of an order or in a command or any polite request or any advice, it comes under imperative sentence. And imperative sentence, sometimes it ends with a full stop or with an exclamation mark. So there are few functions, like you can see here. Imperative, it is used to give a direct order or direct command, right? Like for example, wake up now. So it is a direct command, direct order. Sometimes we use imperatives to use giving a warning or prohibition, like watch out or don't touch me. So it is a warning or it is a prohibition. Sometimes imperative is used giving an advice like don't eat too much. So here it is ending with a full stop. Imperative is used giving an instruction like go straight ahead, then turn left. Okay. Sometimes imperative is used giving a request. Please don't go. It is a polite request. But sometimes like leave me alone, please. So these are the polite requests. So imperative sentence is basically used for the request, for the commands, for the advice, for the orders. Now, next comes our last type, that is exclamatory sentence. Okay, so exclamatory sentence, it always expresses us the strong feeling. Okay, when we are having some feelings, we express through the exclamatory sentence. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, so in this also we have types. For example, yay, we did it. So here in this sentence we are having an excitement. Okay, sometimes you say ouch, that hurt. So it's a pain. We get a pain in this. Alas, he's no more. So it's a sadness. So we are expressing the sadness in this, like when someone is died or someone is no more, so we express a sadness, that is alas, he is no more. So exclamatory sentences usually expresses a strong feeling. Now if I show you, there is a, in the second picture you can see there are many words like wow, brilliant, hooray, ouch, magnificent, amazing, awesome, bravo. So these are the words which express the strong feelings. In this, it's a mixture of pain, excitement, sadness. These are the words which we use to express our feelings. Now, in the last I come, if I see here, it is a conclusion. It is a gist of all the types. If I see here, declarative tells something, it ends with a period. Period is a full stop. Okay. Interrogative, it asks a question, it ends with a question mark. Imperative, it gives the directions or commands, it ends with a period or an exclamation mark. And sometimes an exclamatory, it gives you a strong feeling, it ends with an exclamation. So with this I mark. Come to an end of the topic, and we'll meet you again tomorrow with a new topic. Thank you so much, and stay at home, be safe, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. So with this I come